learning that how to find a Fibonacci series up to n terms with Python programming. So what is a Fibonacci series? So a series of numbers which each number, which is also called as Fibonacci number, is the sum of preceding numbers. So for the simplest example, say if my Fibonacci series starts with 0 and 1, then the next number will be the sum of these preceding numbers. Means 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 8, 13, and the list goes on. This is nothing but a Fibonacci series. This is a very simple example, and we'll be printing this example only in our code. So let's directly dive into the code. Take input from the user. What input? Terms. That up to how many terms you have to print this Fibonacci series. So enter the number of terms. Simple. Next is I'll initialize two numbers as if 0 and 1. I'll define this, and I'll define this in another format, multiple variables in single line. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. We can define like this also, and I'm initializing a variable named as count equal to 0. I'll tell you why. Next is check if the number of terms is valid. Why valid? If anyone enter here a negative number, are we able to find a negative number of terms in this series? Not possible. If any one type here, the terms are equal to 1, so the series will be consisting of only one number, which is this, means which is a. This is the second case. And the third case, if someone types number 2 and greater than 2, then we can print the series up to n terms. So these are the three conditions, and I'll put these conditions in if, elif and else statement. So if our first condition is if terms is less than or equal to 0, print, very simple, that print please enter the positive number of terms. Simple. The next condition is elif terms equal to operator 1, print Fibonacci series up to terms, means it will print 1 here. Print is print a. Why print a? So if terms is equal to 1, then the series will be consisting of only the first integer from this series. This is nothing but here 0. This is we have defined as a. So print a. And the last else condition is else print Fibonacci series, and we'll initialize a while loop here. This is very interesting. In this video I'll use a while loop, and in the next video I'll explain it with for loop. So while loop is very interesting and I love while loop. So count is less than terms. Why? If you remember, I have initiated, or I have already defined a count variable equal to 0. So in every while loop, the count variable will be incremented by 1. So if in the starting, if the count is 0, in the and after doing something operation here, it will increment the counter and get the value 1, 2, 3, and up to the terms which will be entered here. So our answer of printing the series in n number of terms will be very precise. So what we have to print here, print a, enter, and see here, if 0 is a and 1 is b, then this variable is a plus b. So we'll define, let's say c is equal to a plus b. Simple, a plus b. And now I'll update the values. Update the values means to print this number, this this one is will be equal to a and this one will be equal to b. Means in terms of variables, our a should be equal to b and our b should be equal to c. And again for this operation where we are incrementing our counter plus 1 up to the terms. So to print our output in good representation, I'll add end here and we'll check this program. Okay, first 6 terms, enter. Okay, 0 1 1 2 3 5. So 0 1 1 2 3 5, we are right. Let's print terms up to 8. 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13, and the series goes on. Thanks for watching the video. This video was finding Fibonacci series with while loop, and in the next video we'll see it with for loop. Thank you. Bye.